There's a fish. Came up and hit it. Nope. Stay down. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Go, get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. All right. Here we go, guys. Number 2. Oh. Beautiful fish. Nice little pound, probably pound chunk. Nice. Whew. All right, buddy. He's lively. There he goes. So I'm throwing this underspin with a chatterbait top on it, and then I got a little swim bait trailer on it. So far, caught 2. So, well, guys, welcome back to another episode of the CT Outdoorsman. I'm going to call this one Redemption because, well, yeah, because been here 3 or 4 other times. This pond has kicked my butt, but so far I'm doing pretty good. Pulled 2 fish out of this spot, one straight over there, the other one over right here by these pads. So doing pretty good so far.
Just taking laps?
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of miss fishing with like relaxing.
Yeah.
You should just catch big fish. I used to do that when my dad went like fishing and I didn't want to go, so I just put like fake, I got to like gummy worms on.
Yeah.
Like,
The other thing I like about throwing the frog too is that I can just bomb this thing. And I mean bomb for me, having a cheaper than average reel with a, I forget what this pole was. I think it was like $35 at Dick's Sporting Goods. And having 50-pound braid, I'm bombing this thing. Well, I wouldn't call it bombing, but they're 50, 60 yard casts. I know a buddy of mine has a rod and reel set up where he can bomb his frogs like 80 yards. And I'm just like, seems a little excessive to me, but hey, cover more water that way. So, but I am perfectly happy with this because it's not, especially on this pond, it's a smaller pond. There's a fish on the frog. Yes. Stay pinned, stay pinned, stay pinned, stay pinned, stay pinned, stay pinned, stay pinned. Bring him across. It's not a huge fish, but I can ski him across the water. There we go. All right, guys. Yes, frogfish. Yay for frogfish. I only caught him with the one hook. Oh, and he's been, you know what? He might have been hooked like that. So, Oh man. Cool. Well, nice little dink on the frog, but you know, you got to start somewhere. His grippers are ridiculous, which makes me think they're feeding on bait fish and stuff in here and frogs. So, but cool. All right. Well, see you, little guy. All right, fish on the frog. Let's go. Hydrofish. Right at the shore. Swiped at it. Another little. Relax, buddy. Relax, relax, relax. Relax, buddy. Another little dink. Not bad though. Fish number 4. Let's see what. We should watch them come and grab that. How's it going?
Fly hard fisherman.
Quick release. Poor fish. There's a fish. Stick it, buddy. Oh, get out of there. Get out of that shit. Oh, up out of the grass. Alright. Alright, guys, well, I'm gonna call this my last fish. So, I redeemed myself for this pond, I will say. Once you figure out what the fish want, you can have pretty good success. Look at that, that hook just popped right out. He's been caught before too. Cool. Well, guys, I'll actually do an outro in the car, but this will be the last fish of the day. Fitting end. Nice little bass. Here's what we'll do. Hopefully I don't fall in. See that? There he goes. Alright, I'll see you guys in the car. Guys, well, that's gonna end it today. It's probably right around noon. Redeemed myself today.
came out, you know, threw the frog for a little bit. Got a couple blow-ups on it, but didn't set the hook on anything. And then I moved over to that corner by the mill and started throwing that underspin chatterbait combo thing, man. And as you guys saw when I first turned on the video, I caught a good fish. That fish was probably pushing 3 pounds, which for a pond this size is pretty good. And then as you guys saw on camera, I caught that other fish that was probably pushing about 2 pounds. And then I lost that one fish when my friends were here. They showed up randomly. I had no idea. But funny thing about them is one's a vegan, one's a vegetarian. So teaching them to fish was actually pretty funny. But I lost probably another 2-pounder while they were there. Then I moved over to the far side of the pond, caught that one dink on a frog. Then worked my way all the way around the pond without any luck, and then finally back to that mill, and then caught two dinkish fish. They were small, but they weren't that small. But so all in all, great day. I feel a heck of a lot better knowing that there are actually good bass in here and that I don't stink terribly as a bass fisherman. So next fishing video might be here, or it might be on one of the local lakes. There's a small lake that I know about that's actually just up the road from here that's got a lot of lily pads, and I definitely think I could do some really good frogging in there. And then there's actually a pond right across the street from that one that I caught my PB here at 5.8 pounds on a jig. So I might head back down that way and fish there. But until next time, introduce someone new to the outdoors, whether it's hunting, shooting, fishing, hiking, anything. And I will see you guys right back here on the next episode.